This is TECNO Pop 7, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So first you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the Wi-Fi category, then connect your device to whatever network you would like to share, open its, share page by tapping at the QR code in front of it, or you can just open its network details page and tap at the share option from there. And the following page will provide you with the convenient QR code that you can just scan with any other phone you have, or your partner, your friend has, whatever, and their phone will be automatically connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.